history when we said goodbye. I crossed my heart and hope when I die it's with you, baby.
Bono made it happen.
Only you, baby.
Hey guys, so it is that time of the year again. It is Black Friday and I have teamed up with Myfirstwig and they have did some upgrades to their wig line. So I'm here for it and we're going to talk about it. So this is their upgraded Yaki lace frontal wig with a super nice clean hairline, and it's a bob. So we're going to bob it out, okay? Let's get into it. Girl, so the bob is bobbing for sure. So originally this wig was a 13x4, but Myfirstwig has decided to upgrade several of their wigs on this Black Friday to a 13x6. Yes, girl, you heard me. So some of your favorite wigs that I have showcased on my channel that was originally a 13x4 is now a 13x6, so you get 6 inches of parting space. This wig also comes with a lightly pre-plucked hairline and it comes with bleached knots. So this is definitely one of those wigs where you can literally wash it, put on, and go. So I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on and let you girls see exactly what this wig is looking like after I have washed and air dried this hair. So the light Yaki texture on this wig is so beautiful and it just gives a even more natural look to this wig. So for this particular install, I am going to be going with a middle part and I'm not going to be doing any plucking on this wig. I am going to leave this wig pretty much in its original state. So here is a close-up of the hairline and also a close-up on the 6 inches of parting space.
So much history when we said goodbye. I crossed my heart and hope when I die it's with you, baby.
Bono made it happen.
Only you, baby.
Alright girls, I really need y'all to get into this light Yaki texture. This texture is so beautiful. It's so fluffy. It can be worn in its natural state just like this, or of course you can add heat to the hair and it's going to eat every single time. This definitely reminds me of like a natural relaxed hair blowout look. Girl, don't play with yourself. Try this texture. It is simply gorgeous. I prefer this texture over any other texture, especially silky texture. Like, that's just not my vibe. This is totally my vibe. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this lace. Now, I was a little nervous at first with the lace because it is a little light on my skin, but girl, as you can see, baby, it blends, it melts right into my skin, and it melts even more once I secure it down with the hairspray. Girl, Myfirstwig did their thing with this wig. I'm not playing. This wig is so beautiful, and I love that I did not do any baby hairs on this wig. I just kept it simple and cute. So I did go in and pluck the part to thin it out a little bit, and now I'm going to go in and transform this wig by adding some heat and bumping this hair. What I tell y'all, this wig is so fire. Like, this wig is bomb, especially when heat is applied to this wig. This wig has so much body, so much bounce. Girl, this wig looks like it is literally growing out of my scalp, and you cannot tell me this is not my damn hair. Look at this wig. Y'all, look at how natural this wig looks. First of all, let me just say this. I need my first wig line to look like this for the rest of the time. I mean, like, their wigs is already amazing, but this wig right here just do something to my spirit. This is a bomb ass wig. Y'all, I love this look so much, and I'm so glad I decided to go with a natural install. With this look, it was super clean, cute, and easy to install, and most importantly, it was quick. And girl, you can do this install too. So let me give you girls the details one more time on this wig. So again, this is now a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and this is the upgraded wig for Black Friday, which I'll make sure I have those coupons below so you girls can save yourself some money. This is the invisible new air lace that is on this wig. This wig, of course, is 100% human hair. You should expect no shedding, no tangling, and a long lifespan on this wig. This is a Yaki blunt cut bob wig with 130% density, and the hair on this wig is Indian. This wig also comes with 6 inches of parting space, which again is a upgraded version to this bob wig for Black Friday. So definitely make sure you check out the description bar because it will have some coupon codes on how you can save yourself some money this Black Friday.
Told us history when we said goodbye. Cross my heart and hope when I die. It's with you, baby.
Bono made it happen.